Hi, good afternoon. John Ozzie here, AudaCity Capital, Head of Training and Development. Today we are reviewing the account of one of our FTP traders, Sivakumar. Sivakumar has been trading with us from the 21st of January 2021 up until the present day of 15th of March 2021. This is the journey of the trader. The trader has maintained a daily rate of 0.17%, a monthly rate of 5.15%, and a drawdown of 5.23%. Looking at the drawdown, the bad month this traders had was the 25th of February 2021, where there was a drawdown of 5.06% and another drawdown of 4.46%. But at any given time, as we can see, we've only been at negative drawdown from the 27th of January 2021 and respectively 25th of February 2021. Although we have this drawdown, the drawdown is actually in positive territory, and not at any given time are we at a drawdown of a negative deficit, which is 10% of the available balance of 15,000 US dollars. So we're doing quite well, and we've had a peak of $1.504, drawdown again of $675.63, and another peak again of $1.474. So this traders clearly preserved the balance very well. And on the second stage of 30,000 US dollars with a current balance of 29,817.31. Coming down through the statistics, the advanced statistics, we can see trades of 167%, 167 in total. Out of this 167, the trader has won 41 of 68 and won 58 of 99, which gives us a total balance of 99 trades out of 167 traded, which represents 59% a success rate, which is more than half. And the trader has lost 68 out of 167, which represents 41% loss. So overall, this trader is successful 59% of the time. The best trade to date was $388.50, and the worst trade to date was on the 4th of March, which was $439.50. So looking at a few of the monthly analytics, when the trader started in January 2021, we finished the month with 3.22%. In February, we finished the month with 1.85%, and in current day of March, we are at 4% up. So overall, this trader has maintained a steady growth. The best trading month to date is of the month of March. So looking at the summary of trades taken, this trader has had just quite a few trades. But the most successful trades are in the big pairs. The Euro AUD, where the trader has done $202, $212. The pound CHF, where the trader has done a total of $341.55. But this big significant gain comes from the pound US dollar, where the traders had a total of 47 trades and a total profit of $1,390.80. So all the other pairs have helped the trader diversify the risk in order to achieve the balance. And the trader has a total of 170 to date. But as you can see, that few of the trades are in the green and a few of the trades are in the red as well. But what we can appreciate, this trader has been very consistent with the lot size, using the maximum lot size available, but still preserving the balance and still having significant losses as well. But the losses are not too bad because overall we are in profit. And one thing about trading is you can be right or wrong, by the end of the day be in profit. And this is reflected on the account where we can see the drawdown, the profit balance. We can see the steady growth. The trader has lost quite a bit, but overall, as we can see from 0%, we've climbed the ranks from 0.69, just under the 12% bracket. But at present, we're actually 9.34% growth. So we're doing very well, and this trader has achieved one key thing, which is discipline and consistency. a good trading plan, and excellent money management. So this trader is on the verge of going on to the next level, which will be 60,000 US dollars. So the trader just has to achieve $3,000 on the current account. So there's nothing more I can say apart from keep on doing what you're doing. Your strongest pair to trade is the pound US dollar. So focus on that, improve on your mistakes, and you'll surely be successful.